Hey, it's Gamer Mom. As you've seen in the thumbnail, there is new home decor at Dollar Tree. Look at this. I don't even know if this whole thing is fitting in the frame of the camera. Let me lift this up so you can see this. Look at that. It is so cute. There were so many to choose from. I could have bought the whole shelf. I ain't gonna lie. Look at this one right here. This one I'm gonna have to lay flat so you can see it as well. It's vertical. Let me read it to you. Faith makes all things possible. Love this. My son actually seen this sign and wanted this sign, so of course I picked it right up. This sign right here is also a vertical sign. Family where life begins and love never ends. These signs are so they're awesome. They're awesome. Welcome sign with the plant in the middle. But they're so cute. I'm not really doing the black and white checkered like a lot of people are doing. I don't know if I'm gonna change the bows on these, but I'm loving the plants. I am just I'm so excited. Like I said, I could have bought the whole shelf. These signs are absolutely adorable. Adorable. Totally something what I've been looking for. Go grab these before these were gone. The cashier at the Dollar Tree was like, I just stocked these and people are just buying them left and right. There's even B ones. Go check them out. Go check them out. I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed. 125 each for these. They're awesome. Then of course I did get some other home stuff. Oh, there's my cat. Let me get her off. Let me see. Let me grab. And then I needed some toilet paper. They did have Scott in a regular roll, four rolls, Comfort Plus. This works good. $1.25 and a Scott. Of course I'm gonna get it. Then my son saw this cup right here. It does say BPA free. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is like a rainbow color. Open it right up. Nice little cup. Then he found these straws. Longer flex longer flex straws. Let me open one of them right up. Sorry for the crinkling. Grab one right out. This is an orange one. But it's flexible. Look, to make it all different shapes, put it in your cup and drink it. There you go. This will work. See if you can see that. There you go. But I just wanted to show you this quick little haul that I got. Random little things. But those signs are my favorite right there. Go to your Dollar Tree. Pick them up. You're not going to be disappointed. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you already haven't. See you guys soon. Bye.